Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you this Brussels sprout recipe that's done in air fryer. Very tasty, crispy and crunchy. Okay, I would like to share one tip here before we start the recipe. That is, if you're reheating the Brussels sprout, do it in the air fryer, not in the oven or in the microwave. It will make it soggier. So let's see how to do this. Here I've taken a bowl full of Brussels sprout. These are fresh and washed it and cut it into two halves like this. Now let's prepare the marinade. Here I've taken 1 tablespoon butter, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon dry parsley, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. You can add oregano also. Salt, half teaspoon. Mix it well. So the marinade is ready. That's it. Very less ingredients, and just follow the tips that I'm going to share here so you can get a nice crunchy delicious Brussels sprouts done in air fryer. So I'm putting all the washed and cut into two halves Brussels sprout in a bowl like this. Now add the marinade and mix it well. Now it's ready to be air fried. Put this in the air fry basket or tray that you have, and I did not use a tin foil here. I put it directly on the tray like this. It's quite easy to clean up, so don't worry about the mess afterwards. So here you can see, set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. It's nicely done. Open the basket in between and just give it a shake so that each side of the Brussels sprout is cooked properly. Now it's done, ready to be served and enjoy. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you are reheating the Brussels sprout, do it in the air fryer itself and not in the microwave or oven. It will make it soggy. So to enjoy the crispiness and yet retaining all the flavors and taste of the Brussels sprout, do it in the air fryer. I made this for a New Year Eve, and everyone loved this recipe. See you soon in my new video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.